Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this fantastic vacant 3-bedroom semi-detached over on a lovely quiet cul-de-sac, as you can see, on Burlington Road over in Monton, tucked away well within reach to all of the amenities that Monton Village have to offer, and you are perfectly within catchment for Monton Green Primary School, which is literally just a 5-minute walk, if that, from the property. So as you can see, come into the welcoming entrance hall. Property has been extended. Got 2 reception rooms plus the kitchen diner, 3 generous double bedrooms, separate bathroom and toilet, and then there is also a converted loft space which does have power, lighting and a Velux window in place. So your storage just beneath the stairs as we come in to the entrance hall, and then on into the second reception room, which has got the patio doors taking you out to the fabulous rear garden. And as you saw, there was plenty of off-road parking to the front, as well as the garage, which is where the boiler is placed as well. So it's brilliant sized kitchen dining area, the gas hob, space for your washing machine, dishwasher, the fridge freezer, plenty of storage. Now this property also offers the potential for further extension, as you do have this fantastic sized garden, which does take you right round to the front of the property, where you can access into the garage. And bin storage just to the side. As we head up to the first floor, as I said, you've got 3 fabulous sized bedrooms, all of which will fit a double bed in. Separate bathroom and toilet, where a lot of people do actually knock the joining wall down and open up to make a decent sized family bathroom. And then heading up into the loft, as mentioned, which does have the Velux window. There's carpet laid in there, and lighting and power points. So into the fitted bathroom, and the toilet just next to. This is the second bedroom of the 3, which you can appreciate the size in here. Easily will accommodate a king size bed. Heading on into the master, and then you've got the box room directly ahead of us here. Gorgeous bay fronted window. It's coming to the market chain free, as I mentioned. It's ready for somebody to come in and put their stamp on it, creating their own perfect home. It's brilliant for families, obviously, with Monton Green just being on the next road. Just a short walk back into Monton Village. You've got lovely scenery around yourself there. Duke's Drive, Swinton Greenway, and the popular Worsley Loop line. Transport links are fantastic locally also. Not far at all from the local bus stop, and as you head back into Eccles centre, you will find the train station as well as the local tram station. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this fantastic home, do give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.